Fold OLED. The ZenBook 17 Fold OLED has an amazing 17.3-inch foldable OLED touchscreen that folds down instantly to a compact 12.5 size. Detachable ErgoSense Bluetooth keyboard and touchpad turn it into a powerful fully featured laptop. Harman Kardon certified quad speaker and Dolby Atmos audio systems add flair to your auditory experience. Its ultra-compact chassis is a mere 8.7 mm thin when unfolded, crafted in magnesium alloy, and finished in tech black with an integrated dark green faux leather ergonomic kickstand. Features include a 5-megapixel AI webcam, an HD IR camera for fast face login, and a color sensor for automatic brightness and color temperature control. You can always enjoy crisp video calling with loved ones. A 12.5-inch foldable laptop with an ErgoSense virtual keyboard and a 17.3-inch touchscreen is perfect for presenting your big ideas or simply kicking back to relax on the web. TV Rhineland certified low blue light emissions protect your eyes from harmful UV light. ZenBook 17 promises an all-day battery life of up to 9.5 hours. An ultra-vivid 100% DCI, P3 color gamut, ultra-realistic HDR images, and 70% lower blue light levels than an LCD to give you a cracking display. Wi-Fi 6E may not be available everywhere, depending on local rules and regulations. Only Windows versions 11 and higher support the feature. The power output of the connected adapter, up to a maximum of 65 watts, will be matched by the charging rate of a power delivery charger. ZenBook is the perfect mix of aesthetics and performance.